Welcome to FK iPhone, where we break down the latest smartphones without the unnecessary hype. Today, we are talking about the Oppo 17, a device that promises to push boundaries in design and performance. Let's dive into its features, exterior, and what makes it stand out in 2025. The Oppo 17 comes packed with cutting-edge technology. It is powered by the latest flagship processor, ensuring seamless multitasking, faster app launches, and smooth gaming. The device features an AI-enhanced chipset that optimizes battery life while delivering high performance. With an upgraded cooling system, overheating is no longer an issue, even during extended gaming sessions. The display is a major highlight, offering an ultra-smooth refresh rate with crisp and vibrant colors. The edge-to-edge AMOLED panel provides deep blacks and excellent brightness levels, making content consumption more immersive than ever. Whether you are streaming videos or playing high-resolution games, the Oppo 17 ensures a top-tier visual experience. The camera system is another area where the Oppo 17 excels. Equipped with a powerful multi-lens setup, it captures stunning photos in all lighting conditions. The AI-driven enhancements improve detail and dynamic range, making every shot look professional. The front-facing camera is equally impressive, offering high-resolution selfies and enhanced video call quality. New software features include improved night mode, advanced portrait options, and cinematic video recording capabilities. When it comes to design, the Oppo 17 is sleek and premium. The slim profile, lightweight build, and curved glass back make it comfortable to hold and use. It comes in a variety of stylish colors with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. The in-display fingerprint sensor is faster and more responsive, adding to the overall user experience. Durability is also improved with a stronger frame and enhanced water and dust resistance. Battery life is always a concern, but Oppo has tackled it well with a high-capacity battery that supports ultra-fast charging. The device can charge up to a significant percentage in just a few minutes, reducing downtime dramatically. Wireless charging is faster and more efficient, making it convenient for users who are always on the go. The software experience is refined with a smoother and more customizable interface. The new OS version introduces better multitasking, refined gestures, and AI-driven optimizations for better performance. Security features are also enhanced, with improved facial recognition and privacy controls. With all these features, the Oppo 17 is shaping up to be one of the most impressive smartphones of the year. Whether you are into gaming, photography, or just want a sleek and reliable device, this phone delivers on all fronts. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Oppo 17 and whether it's worth upgrading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the latest tech. See you in the next one. Your script is ready and optimized for your YouTube video. Let me know if you want any tweaks or additional details.